In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my mouth-watering chili bean beef pasta. This recipe is inspired by my trip to Shanghai, where I got to try the awesome pork noodles at Chang Jiao restaurant. My version has tender beef shin and fresh tagliatelle pasta in a hot and spicy chili bean broth. Let's get walking. So the first thing I've got here is some beef shin, and I want to season this with some salt and some cracked black pepper. So just flip it over the other side, more salt and black pepper. I'm going to fire up my wok until it's nice and hot. I'm going to go in with rapeseed oil and we're going to colour the meat. So a good few minutes on each side. There you go, nice and caramelised. Look at that, beautiful. Smells really good already. So at this stage, I'm just going to push the meat higher up the wok. A little bit more oil. We're going to fry some aromatics. Some onions, finely chopped, saute that, and in goes the minced garlic, some slices of ginger, celery, and some chopped carrots. Just stir fry that now and bring it all together with the meat. Slowly soften the vegetables. And now I'm going to go in with my seasoning. I want 2 tablespoons of Lee Kum Kee's chili bean sauce, fiery and spicy. Next I want some Lee Kum Kee's premium light soy sauce for a lovely salty kick. For a deep, rich colour, I've got Lee Kum Kee's premium dark soy sauce. For a hit of sweet and savoury, I just need a tablespoon of Lee Kum Kee's premium oyster sauce. Look how beautiful that is. Smells really good. A hit of sweetness, some Shaoxing rice wine. Next, it's time for some vegetable stock. So I've got here 1 litre, pour that all in. Lastly, 1 star anise and 1 bay leaf. Then it's lid on, and I'm going to cook this on a medium heat for 90 minutes so that all those flavours come together. So the beef has had 90 minutes and it smells incredible. Now I'm going to turn the heat down, fish out the beef. It's nice and juicy. Oh, that looks so good. What I want to do is just to shred up some of the meat into nice pieces, so meltingly tender. Now my sauce is bubbling away still. Take out the bay leaf and the star anise. And then I'm going to throw in some fresh tagliatelle pasta. Look at that, meaty, saucy goodness. And then I'm going to put back my beef, and then we're going to go in with some finely chopped coriander stems. And just give that a stir. For a fresh pop of savouriness at the end, a tablespoon of Lee Kum Kee's double deluxe soy sauce. It's time to serve. First, the pasta, some of that delicious sauce, chunky bits of beef shin. For some fresh garnish, sliced chilies, and also some fresh coriander. And that's it. That's my chili bean beef shin pasta. Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.